Guys, Dangshow 101 here, and I'm bringing you some more Baldur's Gate. This time I'm playing as Vidra. I have gloves. Does she still hit like a truck? I don't know. She won't talk because of the unloaded chunks. What the crap is wrong with this game? Well, I suppose I should be happy. Holy crap, she hits like a truck. She doesn't have any armor on. 14. Yeah, this is Vidra I was talking about. She hits like a truck with only her fist. She's a powerful person if you can level her up. Let's see. Oh, wow. Powerful skills. Hey, loading chumps. It's hard playing it with, like, wow, a sword I can't even use. I'm so nice. I don't know why I have so much fun with this. I think sweep attack's a great one. So yeah, I'll be playing as Vidra today. Let's see what it does. Oh wow. It hits multiple targets. That's nice. Any others? Nope. Kinda sad how the chunks aren't there. Isn't range talking now? I actually completed this game before. I played with my dad. I played as Vidra. And man, she is effective with slaughtering. I don't think I can save here. Sup, little goblins? I have no idea where this takes me. Oh no, I passed it. Yeah. One. I think she's on level 7, if I'm correct. I have way too much fun fighting. Fall before me, I think? That's what you're just saying? Of course, unloaded chunk. It seems like there's only certain sections with unloaded chunks. Like the initial starting area? The area where I have to save a lot. I made it pretty far playing with my sister on this. We made it all the way to the, like, when we had to, like, I think, no, we didn't make it all the way to the tornadoes. I know we made it pretty far. Throwback. I hope this thing loads within 10 seconds. This thing doesn't always like to load. Can only be used by an unarmed character, such as Vedra. Vedra is the one who knows those. Her sweep kick thing can only be done by her. I know it can only be done by her, but I think she only did it if she's unarmed. Share your videos. Yeah. Yeah. I have a Bullet save. Well, one more person to play as. Oh. I'll tell you. I think I might charge. She doesn't attack fast, does she? Oh, you just got Vedra. The sweep kick. So yeah, this is gonna be the episode here, guys. So yeah, this is Jackson101 sign up. If you want me to play as a specific character, comment in the comment section below. And Vedra, she OP. You want? I can also record this with my sister. Possibly. Okay. Let me find my buns. Yeah.